welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing this bad girl inspired makeup look. It kind of reminds me of like a grungy kind of gunmetal glam, smoky eye, bad girls hanging out with bad boys on the motorbikes. No. This technique is not supposed to be perfect. It is definitely not supposed to be blended. It's more of a fun editorial kind of style eye. So don't worry too much about getting it perfect. That is definitely not the idea with this makeup look. So I'm just doing the eyes for today, and I have two lipstick options for you because hey, why not? I hope you enjoy the video and please subscribe if you aren't already. So this technique is a little bit different. I'm starting off with a shimmer tone through the socket of the eye, and this one is called Pistol by Urban Decay. Normally I don't like to use a shimmer through the socket of the eye, but for this look it is quite grungy and it's a bit more of a metallic look, and I'm taking it in this inner section here. When you get to the outer corner, you're going straight out from the socket and you're flicking it out, picking up a little more product. You can see the more I apply, the more metallic it gets, which is what I want. So going straight from your lash line, flicking it out. Now I'm taking this black sparkly eyeshadow called Black Velvet and using a flat brush to pick it up. So at this stage we're blending it into Pistol, and you want the darkest colour along your lash line the whole way across from the outside to the inside, and then you want to blend it where it meets in the crease. And now we're going to pick up the same brush that we applied Pistol with and just blend those colours together. For the next step, I'm taking a clean blending brush and my blush, which is MAC Peaches, and I'm just going to blend out and create a bit of warmth just above my socket and just under my brow bone. Now I'm taking a small clean brush, this one here, which is like an iridescent highlight, and that's going under our brow bone. And that's also going in the inner corner. And now we're going back into Black Velvet. This is the MAC 239, which is the best under eye blending brush ever. So this step is very important. From the bottom of your lash line, just keep going up, up, up to meet where Pistol is. See how we're getting this line here? Now what we're going to do is get our brush with Black Velvet and we're packing this up that line. So this eye technique is a layering technique because there's blended edges and there's sharp edges. So from here we want it to come straight back in. Like so. And on the outer corner we want it to be really dark. Joining it up with the bottom lash line again. Pistol again on the MAC 239, and we're blending this under Black Velvet. So now we're going to use our gel eyeliner on an angle brush and just blending it out with the MAC 239. tight lining. Creepiest thing ever. Making sure it's nice and black. That's how we like it. Quick coat of your favorite mascara. This one's the MAXFACTOR Masterpiece. It's okay. And the lashes that I picked up from the beauty suppliers. So I've used these before, so the best thing to do is hold them like this and pick the glue off like that. You'll get a chunk and just put that in the bin. And now these will sit a lot more plush against the eye. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to just tidy up any fallout that we may have gotten. I haven't done my highlight yet because I know that fallout would wreck it. And that just sharpens it up there, which looks so much better. Now I would either do a red lip with this or a nude. Maybe I can show you what both looks like. Maybe. Just adding a touch more MAC Peaches here. Make sure the corner's lined up before you press it down. And now we're just going to highlight with some MAC Prep and Prime in Light Boost. And just setting that with the MERCIER Translucent Secret Brightening Powder. So now moving on to highlight, which is the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. And I am brightened under my eyes, but I don't have any glow happening. And because my foundation is very matte, I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's really important to put some kind of glow back into your skin. And this is just the glow I'm looking for. The camera just cut out then, but what I said was I'm using MAC Peaches, and it always makes me feel like peaches, on my cheeks for blush, but I've already done it, so I'm not putting any more on. More on, you are. Now I like to always get my all over bronzer powder brush and just blend it all in. Napoleon matte bronzer and just do a once over. Around the outside perimeters of the face. So I've left my brows quite subtle because the eyes are crazy. You don't want to overpower them with having crazy brows as well. So I'm making my eyes the feature and I'm just having kind of neutral brows. But what I will do is just slightly extend the length. Just using my Napoleon pencil to extend. I'm doing Savvy Bear all over the lip. And I'm going over the top with Napoleon Sophia. Now I'm using MAC Cherry Lip Liner. Some of you will probably say, ew, dark eyes and dark lips. Sorry. MAC Lady Danger. It's so matte. So anyway guys, that brings me to the end of this week's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. You all deserve a little treat. And I'll see you next week. Bye!
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.